The chip was claimed by Apple to offer twice the performance of the GPU and 1.8 times the performance of the A8X CPU, making it the most powerful mobile processor for iOS devices at the moment. If it's genuine, the Troughton-Smith discovery strongly suggests that Apple was looking to significantly improve the processing power of the Apple TV, far beyond the internal components of the fourth generation, long before it had shipped the Apple TV 4K. The fourth-generation Apple TV hardware, released in September 2015, focused on the A8 processor that had been used in the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus and the iPad mini 4, with the chip powerful enough to perform Siri searches and execute third applications within tvOS. Apple continued to produce a more powerful model, introducing the Apple TV 4K in September 2017 that largely maintained the design and hardware considerations of the fourth-generation version. For the 4K edition, Apple ended up using the successor of the A9X, the A10X Fusion, another chip used in the iPad Pro models. Earlier this week, the iBoot code is an Apple subsystem that ensures an authenticated start or initial load of iOS on a target device. He is also responsible for checking signatures of the iOS core and other critical tasks, with the loss of code potentially presenting an opportunity for jailbreak developers to discover new vulnerabilities.